kid, like around 6 years, I always wanted to be an actor. So then I came forward for my graduation to Bombay, and I started auditioning and started working. That's how. Guiding factor नहीं. See, point is that इंसान, if you know, if you have चाह for something, अपने आप ही राह बनती जाती है. So that's what have something become for me. And I came to Bombay. I was doing my graduation, and they were friends of mine in college who guided me for auditions and everything. So we used to go together. And then I started working as AD also in certain ads, and so that's how I made links and I came forward. So that is like, kind of I was into drama things, and फिर आप auditions जब देते रहते हो ना, तो अपने आप ही आपको एक आइडिया लग जाता है. So that's why I was not that groomed कि मेरे को इतना अच्छा कोई बड़ा ब्रेक नहीं मिला as such. तो इट विल टेक टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स, एंड लाइक एक इंजीनियर होता है तो उसको 5 साल का कोर्स करना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो प्रोफेशनल बनता है. सो सेम इज विद एक्टिंग, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू सर्टेन एक्सपीरियंसेस, लर्न अबाउट ऑडिशंस, टू मीट पीपल, be groomed. So all these things come up with kind of practice of years, and then you get into it. It was long back, and like around when I was 18 years, I did an ad, and then I have been doing ads for a lot of things. Content marketing I did for Shop CJ, then I did for Intex Mobile, and so keep on coming, koi chota koi bada. So that's how. See, point is that in grooming yourself should not be to satisfy others, it should be to for yourself. Like, I'm into blogging as well, so I always say be you, and that's beautiful. So kind of you need to do it for yourself, not for others. You are accepting your own skin, so it is best, kind of कि मैं ऐसी हूँ तो हूँ. So that's what. And beauty lies in everywhere somehow, and I believe beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I do for fashion and lifestyle and kind of that. It was I started as a hobby, and then I started getting paid off for that. So that's how it has become. So basically, abhi right now I'm just auditioning for certain things, and if it's meant to be, it will become, and it takes time. It's not easy कि आप आ जाए और आपको आज ही ब्रेक मिल जाएगा. So धीरे धीरे काम कर करके work on yourself and all that. So that's how you get into it. I love Salman, and he has been doing great work since 10 years. And उनसे better host Big Boss के लिए नहीं हो सकता है. So basically, the person who understands, he connect deeply to the show, he studies all the characters and then comments. So I really love whatever he says, wherever who is wrong, he guides that person. And he has helped so many Big Boss people also, like if he spotted talent in them. So it is very, kind of person who is good hearted, and at the same time, उनसे better host colors को मिल नहीं सकता for Big Boss. So they have been approaching different actors, but नो वन कैन बी. अगर लोगों का इशू है तो टीवी बंद कर दो. सिंपल सी बात ये है. इफ़ पीपल आर वॉचिंग इट बिकॉज पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट. आप लोगों को कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं दिखाता है कि ख़राब है, ये है, वो है. एज अ शो इट इज़ अ इंटरटेनिंग थिंग, तभी उसका 13वां सीज़न आया है. एंड सो आई डोंट बिलीव दैट काइंड ऑफ अभी जो बैन की बातें चल रही थी ये वो, सो दिस इज स्टुपिडिटी. So something is going on from years, so it is good, na? So that's what. If I will be given offer, I would surely do it because it is like one of my favorite shows. I really like reality shows. Doesn't matter, kind of कि आप निकल के उसके बाद सी लोग एक तो या तो आसमान में चढ़े आते हैं कि हमारे को बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक मिल गया ये वो. सो ये सब दिमाग में नहीं रखना है. सी बीइंग एन एक्टर, इट इज़ योर जॉब टू एक्ट. बी टीवी, बी सीरियल, बी मूवीज, बी रियलिटी शो, इट इज़ योर पार्ट ऑफ एक्टिंग. So whatever comes your way, you should take it, and don't think that you're a superstar. So that is the wrong thing which people do, and you keep struggling and through, and you reach somewhere. Like average, I would say, because I was like new to town, I did not knew certain things. So there are a lot of fake people also, and there's certain real people also. So you have to just filter it, and which comes with time. Obviously, I was saying. So before, when I was new, I didn't knew who is right to approach and who is not. So it will take time eventually, and you will understand. That's what I said. It's not particular. I want to do movies or I want to do serials. My part is acting. So whatever comes my way, I'll take it. That is also nice. But the problem with web series is I can't do a vulgar kind of a character. Bold is still fine if it is done in an artistic manner. But this vulgarity is not my cup of tea. यार मेरे को एक्टिंग के अलावा कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया बचपन से, so that's why. Not working on it. That's what I'm saying. If once I'm offered, then I will do it. Kind of that. So